Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use zip files from GitHub step by step. So first of all, come here on github.com and then log in into your account. Now on the dashboard, you just have to simply go to that particular repository which is containing the zip or the project files that you want to use. Now, if you want to download the entire repository, you just have to simply click on this code button over here. Then in the local section, you are going to see the last option of download zip. So you need to simply click on the option of download zip and your browser will download the zip file to your computer. Now you can open your downloads folder, then you can right click on the zip file that you have just downloaded. Afterwards, you can click on the option of extract all and choose the location where you want to extract this zip file. So open the extracted folder and you will find all the repository files and folders inside it. Now, before using the project, you need to look for a file such as readme.md. You need to open it to check the installation instructions, required software and commands for running the project. So that's how you can basically use the zip files from GitHub. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.